The best way to repair a book's binding depends on what's wrong with it. If pages have fallen out of your book, you can use an acid-free book binding glue to reattach them. Remove the loose pages and spread a thin layer of glue over the spine using a popsicle stick. Then align the loose pages over the glue and press them into the spine. Stack something heavy on top of the book and let it dry for 24 hours. If there's a gap between the spine and pages of your book, you can use a book adhesive to close it. First, stand the book up and use your finger to open the gap between the spine and the pages. Spread the book adhesive around inside of the gap using a knitting needle. Then lay the book flat and square the block of pages. Partially open the cover and use a bone folder to press the end paper into the hinge of the book. Then place a piece of wax paper between the cover and end paper to protect it from the adhesive. Now close the book and run the bone folder down the hinge on the outside. Place the book on a wooden board and align knitting needles that are thicker than the cover with the outer hinges of the book. Place another wooden board on top, followed by 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms of weight. Press the book overnight. To repair a broken hinge, first fully remove the hinge from the book so it's easier to work with. Cut a piece of single-stitched binder tape that's the same length as the text block and apply book adhesive to one side with a brush. Next, stick one of the tape tabs to the spine of the text block and stick the other tab to the end paper. Rub both tabs with a bone folder and let them dry overnight. Then, place one piece of wax paper over the end paper and one piece over the spine. Apply book adhesive to the other two tabs on the tape. Then bring the cover up so it aligns with the seam on the tape. Rub the free tab on the tape onto the outside of the cover using the bone folder. Close the book and run the bone folder down the outside of the spine. Finally, secure the book with rubber bands and let it dry overnight.